Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have TOZO open buds, wireless Bluetooth earbuds, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to Bluetooth, or if they're not syncing or pairing with your phone or other device, or if the left earbud's not working, the right earbud's not working, and there's only sound coming out of one ear, factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. And if you do decide that you just need to get new earbuds because you can't get these to work, I'll put a link in the description to a nice set of earbuds that are not that expensive. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete all the pairing history off of it, so you can just set these up like they're just coming out of the box new. The factory reset will do that, and it's very easy to do. All you need to do is put the earbuds in the case as shown here, make sure they're docked properly, and once they're in there, we're just going to come in and press and hold this button right here in the front, and just press and hold it and count for 8 full seconds. After 8 full seconds, all of the pairing records will be deleted and it will be restored to its factory default settings, and you can go ahead and take the earbuds out and set them up like you're opening it up for the first time.